I don't want to cry on camera right now, but it's been a journey. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Steph. If you are new here, you are most definitely welcome. And if you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for still sticking around with me, your girl. So without any further ado, let's jump right to this video. So guys, in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you why I have been high on my YouTube channel. Guys, I know that I owed you guys an apology. Like, I'm a small YouTuber. I really don't want to take my channel for granted, and I really appreciate you guys for watching each of my videos. I know I've not blown up yet, so yes. And even if I have like 200 viewers or 100 viewers on each video that I post out, I'm very grateful and I'm happy about it. So yeah, I'm just so sorry that I have been high here on you guys, that and some of you doesn't know why I am. So today I'm here to explain myself to you guys why I have been my hair, and I'm so sorry guys. I'm so sorry. You guys doesn't know how much YouTube means to me. Like, this platform for me to just sit down and talk to you guys every other day, whenever I can, is just like a blessing to me. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Let me just start from there. So why I am behind my hair, guys, just wait for it. Let me show you, because if I tell you, maybe you want to see results, so it's better for me to show you guys why you guys have not been seeing me on my channel. I'm pregnant. Guys, finally I am a mom. And I'm so happy to share this moment with you guys. Thank you so much. Do I have to say that? But I'm just so happy to share this moment with you guys. So yeah, your baby is pregnant. Yeah, so this is my bum. Yeah. So guys, initially I think I'm going to be showing you guys my journey, my first month pregnancy, second, third, fourth, fifth, till I gave birth. So but guys, sometimes you have something, like you have a plan for yourself and God tells you that no, that is your plan, that's not my plan for you. So yeah, with the journey of this pregnancy, I think it's better for me to just stay away from social media for a while, and let you guys know when I think I'm so ready to tell you that I'm really pregnant. So I have challenges for being pregnant. So yeah guys, I think that I'm gonna save that one for another video, for another day, for another time, because it's just like it's a story for me to tell you guys. So yes, I'm just so happy that I'm here, I'm back, hopefully. And I don't know, I'm a new mom. This is my first baby, as you can see, and I don't know if I will be here often. I don't know how these challenges is going to be as soon as my baby is here. Maybe I wouldn't be having time to be posting regularly, but I will try as much as possible for you guys. I mean, so guys, I'm just so sorry that I'm just coming back now to tell you, to show you my baby bump. But I think I really need it to stay away from social media and on YouTube. And you guys know YouTube is not something that you can play with. It's not easy, you know, to film, edit, post, and all those jazz. Especially makeup tutorial. Makeup tutorial is very not easy to edit, you know, to show you the product, to apply it, and all those stuff. But sit down video is the most easiest thing to do on YouTube channel, guys. If you want to quote me for that, I'm really ready, and I'm here for you. To sit down like this and talk to you guys is the most easiest part of content to create on YouTube. But makeup, I don't know. And back then when I first got pregnant, I was still working. So for like 3-4 months that I was pregnant, I'm still working. So for me to combine my job and also come to YouTube, and it's not that easy, and I just feel like, okay, I just have to stop one so I can do one. I can combine both together at the same time. I decided to stop doing YouTube. So later when I told my chef at work, my chef is like my boss, when I told my boss that I'm pregnant, so she said I can't continue to come to work because of the situation of COVID-19. So if you are pregnant, if you live in Germany, if you are working in gastronomy, not to come to work again, because I work in gastronomy. So my boss said, so I have to stop working now that I'm pregnant. Yeah, so after that maybe I'll come back. Not even maybe, my job is secured. I can as well go back to my job as soon as I'm ready to come back to work. So yeah, so since then I'm not really doing much at home, but you know, and I'm really thankful for my pregnancy journey. I don't really have any money sickness. I don't, like, guys, it's just that I'm just staying away from YouTube. If I really want to be doing YouTube every day since I'm pregnant, I can do it, because I don't really feel tired. I don't know, I don't feel tired. The only symptom that I can really remember was splitting. I don't know, yeah, my mouth tends to be, you know, really bitter. So that's the only thing. Every other thing, I don't have money sickness, I don't have a headache, I don't have anything. And if I'm not even doing it, that is the worst time for me. That's when I will feel weak. Let me just put it that way. So I just want to be active. I'm always active through my pregnancy. I want to go out, I want to take a walk, I want to meet people. I mean, not people like that, like just do a window shopping. Staying home was not even my thing. You know, some people will feel tired, they don't want to go out, they just want to be on their bed and all day and all that, not doing anything. But I was so energized, so I can do everything in the house. I can clean, I can cook, I can do everything basically that I'm doing when I wasn't pregnant. So yeah, I'm so thankful. So one of my friends was like, you have to enjoy it while it lasts. So when you get your last trimester, maybe that is when it's going to kick in for you. You feel tired and all that. And now I'm 8 months pregnant. Like I said, guys, I'm 8 months today. So by the time this video is up, I'm sure my baby will be here, by God's grace, fingers crossed. I pray, I hope so. Yeah, guys, so I'm just so happy, and I'm so sorry that you guys have not been seeing me for a while. And I think this video is gonna make up for my absence. Like, you guys gonna forgive me like you used to. That I have been MIA. I cannot just say, oh, okay, let's forget about, let me continue posting video. No, I hold you guys an apology. So I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, just forgive me, and pray for me too if you can, and I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so very much. Thank you so much for your understanding. Yeah, thank you. I don't know what to say. Thank you so much. And another video will be coming up about this pregnancy. I'll be telling you the story behind my pregnancy, my journey, why I decided to stay away. I think I've said a little bit about it already, but I really want to dive in how I eventually got pregnant, what I did, and what happened. So it's gonna be in another video. I just want this video to be like an apology video to you guys, to know why I was so absent from YouTube. Like I said, YouTube is something I love to do. It's not like it's really paying my bills right now, but you know, I just want to be on camera, like talk to myself and talk to you guys, because right now I'm talking to myself, but talk to you guys. So yeah, I'm so sorry, guys. Just finding a place in your heart, forgive me, and never unsubscribe to my channel. And if you care to know, I'm doing well, my baby is doing well, and the baby is kicking more than I'm expecting. Because when I first got pregnant, I was asking my friend, their mom already, my baby is not kicking. I was like, and they was like, why are you in a hurry? You're going to be tired. Like, you're going to be tired when this baby started kicking. So the baby's been kicking crazy now, and I'm just so happy. I don't have any complications. Everything is just going on smoothly, like I said earlier. And yeah, I'm so thankful to God. Like, I'm a mom, guys. I'm a mom. I don't want to cry on camera right now, but it's been a journey. Like, I always want to be a mom. I always wanted to be a mom. Like, you know, if you have friends and all your friends that, so basically all my friends that will finish from university, all of them are married and they have kids, and it's like I'm just the only person that's still trying to have a baby among them. I'm really happy for them, you know. But you know, we are planning to travel one of these days, maybe to go to Dubai, all of us to meet in Dubai. I live in Germany. One of my friends she's living in the US, and two of my friends, like my closest friends, lives in Nigeria. So we're planning. All of them, they have kids already. Like it's like I'm just the only person that's still struggling among them to have baby. You know what I mean? Like, and we are planning to meet in Dubai, and I'm sure they'll be coming with their kids. I always say to myself, so am I going to be there without my baby? You know, I'm so happy for my friends, so don't get it wrong, I'm happy for them, but I don't know, I'm just so grateful that I'm here today, and I'm going to be a mom soon, guys. I'm going to be a mom soon, and I will be celebrating Mother's Day, you know. Okay, guys, let me just wrap up this video here before I start crying on camera. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and like my video. If I have much likes on my video, YouTube might decide to push my video out there. Please don't forget to like my video and share my video with your friends and family. I promise to tell you everything in another video, how I eventually got pregnant, what I did, and what works for me. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. I will see you in my next one. And if you want to see my face right now, you can as well click on any of these two videos right here, so you can see my face, my beautiful face right now. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here. Yeah, on this face, that is me. Subscribe to my channel through this icon. I will see you in my next video. Bye.